Most people think getting stronger has an expiration date, that at some point your body just starts declining and there's nothing you can do about it. But that belief is wrong. Just a handful of exercises that completely changed how my body responds to training. And if you think muscle loss is unavoidable, this video might change how you see training forever. So if you want more strength, better mobility, and a body that actually improves over time, hit the like button, subscribe, and let's get into it. Let's start with the foundation. Exercise 1. Squats, rebuilding the foundation. Squats activate more muscle than almost any other movement. Legs, hips, core, even the upper back. It's not about heavy weight, it's about controlled movement, good posture, and consistency. Once squats became a regular habit, everything improved: balance, mobility, and everyday strength. Strong legs signal the body to stay capable. Weak legs signal decline. Exercise 2. Deadlifts, strength from the ground up. If squats rebuilt my base, deadlifts rebuilt my power. They strengthen the posterior chain, glutes, hamstrings, lower back, and core, the muscles responsible for posture and real-world strength. I started light, focused on technique, and something surprising happened. My stiffness disappeared, my posture improved, my confidence skyrocketed. Deadlifts reward patience, and patience becomes a superpower with age. Exercise 3. Push-ups, the upper body builder. Push-ups look simple, but they're incredibly effective. They train the chest, shoulders, arms, and core together, while improving coordination, something that declines with age faster than muscle itself. I started with incline push-ups, then progressed to the floor. What shocked me most wasn't muscle growth, it was joint health. My shoulders felt stronger, more stable, and pain-free. That's functional strength. Exercise 4. Rows, fixing posture and building thickness. Posture collapses, shoulders roll forward, upper backs weaken, breathing becomes shallow. Rows reverse that. They strengthen the upper back and lats, the muscles that help you stand tall and move with confidence. Once rows became consistent, my body didn't just look stronger, it felt stronger. Exercise 5. Overhead press, total body capability. Lifting weight overhead exposes weakness fast. The overhead press demands shoulder strength, core stability, and coordination. I started very light, but over time my shoulders strengthened, my posture improved, and my overall power increased. Compound lifts like this send a powerful signal to your body. Stay strong, stay capable. Exercise 6. Loaded carries, strength for life. If one exercise changed everything, it was loaded carries. Farmer's walks, suitcase carries, holding weight and walking with control. They improve grip strength, posture, breathing, balance, and core stability all at once. Grip strength alone is strongly linked to longevity. This movement doesn't just make you look strong, it makes you strong. Exercise 7. Split squats, rebuilding balance and bulletproof legs. If squats rebuild the foundation, split squats rebuild control. They force each leg to work independently, which helps correct muscle imbalances and improve balance. When I added split squats, my legs didn't just get stronger, they became smarter. My stability improved, my knees felt more secure, my stride became smoother. This exercise doesn't just build muscle, it restores trust between your brain and your body. Exercise 8. Pull-ups, reclaiming upper body authority. Nothing commands respect like pulling your own body weight. With assistance bands or machines, pull-ups become one of the most effective upper body builders. They strengthen the lats, arms, upper back, and grip simultaneously, while also decompressing the spine when done properly. I started with assisted pull-ups, slow reps, full control. Over time, assistance decreased and strength increased. My back thickened, my arms grew, and my grip became iron strong. Pull-ups don't just build muscle, they rebuild confidence. Why these exercises work. Here's why this system is so effective. Squats and split squats build lower body strength and balance. Deadlifts and loaded carries restore power and resilience. Push-ups and overhead presses rebuild pushing strength and posture. Rows and pull-ups restore upper back dominance and confidence. Compound movements stimulate more muscle per minute than isolated exercises, which means better results with less wear and tear. The biggest change wasn't physical, it was mental. I stopped training to look young and started training to stay capable. These 6 exercises didn't just build muscle, they restored strength, balance, and confidence. Consistency, good form, and progressive challenge are what make the difference. If you're ready to take control of your strength and transform your body, start with these exercises today. Hit like, subscribe, and share this with someone who thinks it's too late to get stronger. And comment below, which exercise will you start with this week?